Imagine this. You're at a party and someone casually drops, "Oh, I just made $500 from stocks last month." Meanwhile, you're standing there nodding like, "Yeah, me too. In my dreams." Well, guess what? Investing in stocks isn't just for Wall Street wolves or people who own monocles, it's for you. And today, I'm going to break it down so simple. Even your pet goldfish could get it if goldfish could trade, which they can't, but you can. So grab a snack, relax, and let's teach you about stocks. Okay, picture this. You and your friend open a lemonade stand. You put in 50, they put in 50. Boom! You each own 50% of the business. A stock is just like that, but instead of a lemonade stand, it's a tiny piece of a big company like Apple, Nike, or Disney. Buy a stock, and congrats. You're now a mini owner. If the company does well, your stock grows. If it flops, well, let's not think about that yet. Fun fact, if you'd bought $1,000 of Netflix stock in 2002, you'd be sipping margaritas on a private island today. But if you bought Blockbuster, let's just say you'd own a very expensive coaster. Now, you don't just yell, "I'll take one Tesla, please." You need a brokerage account. Think of it like a shopping app, but for stocks. Psst. Start small. You don't need thousands. $50 can buy you a slice of companies like Starbucks or Coca-Cola. Baby steps, my friend. Here's the secret. You don't need to predict the future. Just ask yourself, do I love this company? Do you scroll Instagram daily? Maybe Meta, Facebook is a pick. Binge watching Disney Plus? Boom, Disney stock. If you're like, but what if I pick wrong? Relax. Even Warren Buffett messed up his first stock. Imagine you bet your entire life savings on a revolutionary company that sells glow-in-the-dark socks. Spoiler, that's a terrible idea. Instead, spread your money across different stocks. Tech, healthcare, maybe even boring stuff like toothpaste companies. Hey, people always need toothpaste. This way, if one crashes, the others keep you afloat. Here's the truth. Stocks aren't a get-rich-quick scheme. They're a get-rich-slowly scheme. The stock market is like a moody teenager. Goes up, down, throws tantrums. But over time, it usually grows. Your future self will high-five you. All right, future stock market superstar, now you know the basics. Start small, stay curious, and remember, every investing pro started where you are right now. So open that brokerage account, buy your first stock, even if it's just $10, and pat yourself on the back. You're not just spending money anymore, you're investing in your future. And hey, when you're sipping coffee on your yacht someday, don't forget who gave you the nudge. Drop a comment below. What's the first stock you're buying? Let's cheer each other on.